Alright, in this video I want to show you how to create lists of figures and or list of tables. Other than the table of contents here, so you can have also a list of tables or list of figures, because in a thesis, because your assignments or your thesis or your book has tables and also diagrams or pictures in your document. So you want to help your readers or your lecturer to easily go directly to your tables or figures. So we can have a list of figures and tables here and below the table of contents. So I'm going to show you firstly for table of content, list of table. Okay, this is a table. So it's each table we need a caption. Caption means the title of the table. So this table doesn't have any title yet. Okay, doesn't have any title yet, so we have to give a title or caption. Normally you put title for your table or figure yourself. For example, you just type down here. Okay, so what will happen if you move your table? Okay, sometimes it will, you know, happen like this. You go on to the next side, or you move your figure. For example, you want to move this figure to the next page, so this title does not come together, right? Cut and you paste here, for example, so it does not follow. I mean, the title already left here. Okay, so we want to have a better way to ensure the caption or the title of the table always follows everywhere you move the figure. So how to do that? So you click on your table and then you go to reference. Okay, so here there's insert caption. All versions of Microsoft Word has insert caption. So click on insert caption. Okay, so this is table, so it's already detect that this is a table. So if it's not table, so you can choose here. Okay, if you by default it's a figure in your computer, so click table. So this is table 1. Okay, so you can type directly here. So give a title of this. Maybe this is list of car involved in the research, for example lah. Okay, so sometimes in certain theses or documents has its own format, and in USIM we have our own format, so we don't use this kind of italic. Okay, so but you can change later. Okay, then you click OK. So by default, table in using this default style is like this on top of the table, and maybe it has a space here. Okay, and then italic. So, and the color is not black. So you click on this table. This is caption, so it all goes to caption here, automatically in styles. Okay, so you know that this using caption. So you right click on captions, modify. Okay, you can modify this, So make sure you use black, and Times New Roman is correct. And you see we use Times New Roman 12, and no bold and no italic, and yeah, spacing is 1, and it's in the middle, in the center, yeah, middle of the document, I mean the table. So okay, and you click this so that you don't have to do this again in the future. So click OK. So this is the style. Okay, so it always here. Okay, so let me show, go back to the caption. Okay, this one is the caption. Modify. I think in USIM the paragraph, no, there's no after, you know, there's no space. Okay, so you just leave it to 0 after the caption. So yeah, after the caption, no. So I think it's looks better. I want to make it closer. Just check if there is center 0. Okay, at 0.5, 1, just single. Okay, yeah, just leave it. So you have a nice caption. Okay, so you have another table like here, so you do the same. Okay, so repeat the same step, insert caption, so it already knows that this is table 2. Okay, so you just put the title, and you see the setting or the format already follows the latest one, and you have done this. So you just put a title, list of motorcycle involved in the research. Okay, this is better. Motorcycle. Shouldn't have space actually. I don't know why this is. That's okay. Okay, this is the correct one, but it's, I don't know, maybe something wrong with the settings, but this is the right one, so there's no space between. Okay. But it's okay. So now you have table 2. Okay, so let's say you have a diagram. So you have a diagram. So if your diagram means that you have a figure, so let's put something, insert, maybe it's not chart, maybe smart art, maybe you have a process document, so include this process. Okay, simple one. Okay, maybe you have a process diagram. Okay, collect data maybe. Analyze, conclude. Maybe this is a simple process. Okay, so maybe you want to change the color to become colorful, it's up to you. So you have a diagram here, eh? So this is a figure. So you want to have the title. So the same step like before, like in the table. So click reference, insert caption, and this is not table. So it says table 3, but it is not table. So the label is now figure. Go to figure. Okay. Because this is sub point, point 1, point 2. So shows here figure 1.1. Okay, so just give title to this. So the process of research, maybe. Okay, give it. Okay, by default process is in okay, so this is not 0.1, should be. Okay, let's see how we can solve this. So go to caption. It's actually okay, let's do this again. Insert caption. Maybe from here you can change the numbering. Okay, the numbering is heading 1, include chapter number, so you don't have to include chapter number. Format 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, sorry, figure 1. So you seem start like this. Okay, so you name it again, the process of the research. Okay, then you click OK. So is this correct? Because process normally at the bottom. Kalau I mean figure, the caption will be at the bottom. For table of for table will be on the top, the caption. Yeah? So why it's like this? Because this canvas is in this size. Okay, so if you don't have the box, so you see it's very far. So what you have to do normally, you give a line. Okay, so you click on the format, shape fill. You have to show the shape fill. Okay, no fill, click black. Oh no, black. Outline, sorry, no, this is outline. So shape fill is no fill, so outline, yeah, outline is black. So you have the box, so it's now nicely. Okay, so you click here, normal, so you go to captions. Okay, but this one is caption for for this one, for figure, and it's a figure, it's not table anymore, should be in this at the center. Okay, the rest are correct. All right, so we have caption. What is not in the middle? Why is not in the middle? Maybe it still follows. Okay, let's say you want to have a new style here. So this is already on the table, so you can actually create your new style. Okay, click a plus. Okay, caption, you can just give name caption for figure. Okay, caption for figure in the middle. So it follows the caption style based on caption for table. So the rest are the same. Okay, just click OK. New document. Yes. Now it's on the center. Okay, so your figure 1 is here. So you have already caption table 1, caption table 2, and figure 1. So you want to have a list of table here. Okay, so it's the same. We go to reference and insert list. Where is it in this document? Insert list of figure. Where is it? In this version, they change. It's not in here. Insert caption. Table of figures. Yes, table of figures. Okay, click table of figures. If in the previous version, maybe 2010, it shows a list of figures. Okay, now, so now tab leader means this dot. In UC we don't have this one, we don't use the tab leader, so you just click none to practice, so you don't have the dot. Okay. Also you can remove for the table content later. So now we are printing on the figure by default. So I don't want to put the table first after the table content, so you just caption label is table. Okay, so click OK. See, you have the list of table, and then you want to have list of figure. So now it's figure. So also you don't have this one, the tab leader. Then click OK. Alright, so now you just need the title list of tables and list of figures. Okay, so you can use table of content of heading, right? This one. Okay, so you click list of table and click TOC heading. So table is the same like table of contents. Figures. Click on this, click TOC heading. Where is it? Okay, so you have this one. Okay, so it's the same. If you need to update, you move the figure to the other page, so just right click and update field. Page number only or entire table is up to you. To play save everything, entire table. So you have two table of figures and table list of tables. Okay, check if it's correct. Table 1 is in page 2. Yes, page 2. This is in page 3. Figure 1 in page 3. Now figure 1 is in page 3 now, so actually it's not page 4, previous page 4, so you have to update this. Now it's page 3. Okay, so this is how you use this thing. Okay. Alright, so that's all for this section. List of figures and list of tables. Okay, thank you for watching.